256 gigabyte micro SD card for under $30. Is it too good to be true?
There it is. 256 gigabytes. Made in Taiwan. Now, something I do want to compare it to is the SanDisk. I mean, as you compare the two, you can see the kind of print job on the actual micro SD card. You can see the XC1 on the top is barely on there. The font is not sharp at all. The ink at the top is just totally off. The actual size, very similar. Let's rotate them over.
So on the back side of the micro SD cards, you can see the SanDisk on the bottom. It's just a way better construction. It's actually not that slow of a format. And total space, we actually got 249 gigabytes out of this thing. Not bad. 268,368 million, 347,136. So now let's run the test. So really frickin' slow read speeds. And the write speeds though are not horrible. They're not as atrocious as I thought. I was really expecting like 2 and 1 and 3. Okay, a little slower. Alright, not bad. Alright, now let's try our SanDisk Ultra. Go ahead and format it. 238 gigabytes, only 255,802,212,352 bytes. Okay. Way faster. 85 and 45. So as you see, a little bit less space, but I mean, what is that? 4 to 5 times faster read speeds and 4 to 5 times faster write speeds as well. All right, let's try a Virtual Man's 256 gigabyte on the SanDisk. And as you see, 30 to 40, 39, 27, 28, 40. So let's just say it averages around 34, 35 megabytes per second. See, it's going lower, it's going higher, you know, but this whole process is going to go a lot faster with the SanDisk. Huge, as far as like, we're talking, you know, 2-3 hours versus let's see how long the other one takes. Did want to give you a little progress report. Here we are still on the SanDisk Ultra, and as you can see, it's actually about 38 to 47. So if you divide that, it's like a low 40 megabytes per second write speed, and I'm almost done. And it's been consistent throughout. I think it's going to take me a total of less than 2 hours. Yeah, it had to be. It had to be about 2 hours on the SanDisk Ultra. All right, now we have the new micro SD card, the off-brand, and same image we're gonna write. 256 gigabytes. We have the SD card in there. Yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. The anticipation. Okay, so slow as hell, right? It's actually quite stable. I was thinking that this thing was going to jump all over the place. You know, we saw it first and went 8 to 15, but now it's kind of, you know, staying in its lane around the 14, 15 mark. Looks like we're probably going to average close to like right around 15 because it's going a little higher than 15. It's going to go a little lower, you know, probably 14.75, 15. So really close in that area. And this is going to take, you know, based on the other one was going almost 3 times as fast. Potentially this is going to take 5 to 6 hours. So I'll keep you guys updated. Now at about 15%, and this thing's going a little crazy. It's going 15, 8, 15, 8, 16. A little spazoid, and I hope. Let's see if it makes it. I think, you know, I'm rooting for the tortoise, right? We saw the hare, which was the SanDisk. Let's see if the tortoise can just, you know, Just keep pushing along. We'll see how it goes. So here it is. As you can see, my boot drive has all the Virtual Man stuff on it. You can even see Virtual Man, it has the README file on here. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and boot it up in our Pi now. Oh, also we got the write complete. So we are completed. Write complete. Successful. So I was unable to get it to work. It crashed. It said fatal error. I tried to rewrite it a second time, guys, so it took me like 12 hours testing this thing on a fully loaded image. Both times I failed. I think twice is a good amount to say it was not working. I then went for this stock RetroPie version 4.4, that 2 GB root brand new image. Just say, okay, from scratch. Let's just see if we can build it up from scratch. And you're going to see here I ran through all the setups, all the tests passed, but when I got to the controller screen, it froze. And I left it there for 10 minutes. It didn't unfreeze. The green light on the Pi stayed on, and it looked like to be corrupted. So, oh, and we have a corrupted SD card again. So there you go. Not so great. Not working very well at all. I cannot recommend this SD card. I mean, it might be good for like storage or transferring files or something like that, but I mean, if you have anything important or like Raspberry Pi or anything that's going to be getting heavy use out of one of these, don't cheap out. Buy something good. SanDisk Ultra all the way. Samsung, great brands. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope I saved you guys some money and some headache. And like and subscribe if you haven't already. A lot of cool vids coming out of this channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.